4 people don't die and plenty still dey miss after one ferry sink for near Bali. And people wey dey live for Tokara Island don dey fear as 900 earthquakes don dey shake the place since June 21. Donald Trump sef don dey vex because e say Republicans never fit come up with decision about the bill. Dat na small for inside today tori. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for what, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. Rescue people for Indonesia don talk say at least 4 people don die and plenty dey miss after ferry sink for near Bali. The boat get 53 passengers plus 12 crew when e sink by 11:20 local time on Wednesday as e dey go Bali from Banyuwangi for Java. National Search and Rescue Agency say dem don save 31 people, but the search still dey go on. Authorities dey check wetin cause the wahala, but dem say the ferry bin get engine wahala before e sink. Most of the people wey survive na from Banyuwangi area, while others come from inside Java. President Prabowo Subianto wey dey Saudi Arabia don order emergency response quick. People wey dey live for Tokara Islands for southern Japan don dey restless as over 900 earthquakes don shake the place since June 21. Authorities say the wahala happen for sea area near the islands and one strong quake wey measure 5.5 even happen on Wednesday. Even though no house don fall and dem never raise tsunami warning, government dey tell people make dem ready in case dem need evacuate. The Tokara Islands na 12 remote islands, but only 7 get people wey dey stay there, about 700 in total. Some of the islands no even get hospital and the nearest one dey at least 6 hours ferry journeys from there. Because of all the shaking, local authorities don dey beg media make dem no dey disturb residents too much with calls and interview, say make people dey considerate. Some guest houses don stop to take tourists, say dem fit use dem as shelter if things worsen. The earthquake matter still make people dey fear say one big serious deadly quake fit happen soon. Na one 1999 comic book by Reeves dey cause part of the panic. For the new version of the book, she talk say serious earthquake go happen on July 5. Tourists wey suppose come Japan don begin cancel their trip because of the rumor. Japan dey experience around 1,500 earthquakes every year, but government don dey fear say one mega quake fit happen anytime. Worst case talk say over 300,000 people fit die if that kind quake hit. Government don already dey work on building new embankments and evacuation buildings, but dem say still plenty work dey to ready people well. Republicans never gree settle how dem wan move Trump own big domestic policy bill go forward, and Democrats don dey use the delay blast the bill well. Representative Shui Garcia drop video for social media where e talk say the bill go cut health care and food support for people. E say na plan to make rich people richer. E beg people make dem call their Republican rep and tell dem make dem vote no. Representatives Maxwell Frost join talk say Speaker Johnson suppose just accept say the bill no popular at all. E say most of Americans no even want make this bill pass. Na the worst and most unpopular bill for modern history. Democrats say the wahala go continue if Republicans no fit settle their own wahala quick. Speaker Johnson don talk say e believe say the Republicans wey still dey hold back go soon join body. According to news media, Johnson talk say him and im team dey finish talk with the Republicans wey vote no or never vote at all. E say e dey expect make dem do final vote for the bill early Thursday morning. For now, 270 House members don vote against the bill, including 5 Republicans, while 207 dey in favour. Johnson fit only lose 3 Republican votes if e wan move the bill forward. Members fit still change their vote before dem close am, and 8 Republicans never vote yet. As the voting for House dey slow for im one big beautiful bill, President Trump don blast Republicans wey dey hold back for im Truth Social page. E write say, for Republicans, dis one suppose to be one easy yes vote. E dey ridiculous. Trump don ask before say wetin the Republicans dey wait for, wetin dem wan prove. E still warn dem say MAGA supporters no happy and e dey cost dem votes. Trump talk say the bill get the largest tax cuts for history wey go boost economy, and e shock why Republicans dey waste time to pass am. Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer don tok say Chancellor Rachel Reeves go remain for her post till next election and even after, despite say she wipe tears during Prime Minister's questions inside Commons. Plenty pipo notice as Reeves dey emotional and shed tears behind Starmer during the session. But Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer later tell reporters say the tears no get anything to do with politics or the recent welfare U-turn wey fit affect her budget plans. E say na personal matter she dey deal with. Even though Starmer no answer the question about her staying as chancellor during PMQs, later e clear am say both of dem dey work in lockstep and she dey do excellent job. Market react as rumours fly say she fit comot from office. Pound fall by 1% and borrowing cost rise sharp. Number 10 later calm things down, but the market still shake. Reeves team and the Speaker office never gree talk about the matter. Tech giant Microsoft don confirm say dem go cut up to 9,000 jobs from their workforce as part of plan to focus more on artificial intelligence (AI). The company tok say the sack go touch different departments but no mention the exact ones, though tori dey say Xbox units dey among. Na the fourth time this year wey Microsoft reduce staff. Last time na for May, when dem cut 6,000 jobs. The 9,000 workers wey go lose job na about 4% of Microsoft's total workforce wey be 228,000 people. Over 800 of dem dey for Redmond and Bellevue inside Washington state. Microsoft don dey pump big money, $80 billion put for data centers to train AI models and expand the AI side of the business. Dem even carry British AI expert Mustafa Suleyman join as head of Microsoft AI. According to one Microsoft top oga, AI go define the next 50 years, change how we dey work and relate. Even as dem dey cut normal workers, Microsoft and other tech companies like Meta and Amazon dey drag AI talents with heavy offers. Meta dey recruit people join wetin dem call super intelligence lab, and Mark Zuckerberg dey personally involved. The move show say AI dey take the tech world and workers wey no dey AI side fit need to brace up. Southern Water don talk say the artificial intelligence AI wey dem put for sewer system don help stop flood for people house for West Sussex. The AI sabi how sewer dey behave normally. E fit know the difference between morning rush, evening rush, rainwater and even when blockade dey form. For East Lavington near Petworth on 16 June, digital sensors catch one fat bed blockade early, then clear am sharp before e fit make dirty water enter people compound or house. Daniel Mikeheni, wey be proactive operations control manager for Southern Water, tok say dem don dey see hundreds of po ten tial blockades before e go too late. Blocked sewer na the biggest reason for pollution wahala, but Southern Water say AI don reduce internal flooding by 40% and external flooding by 15%. The company get about 32,000 sewer monitors wey dey check flow and fit see anything wey no normal like blockade or leak. The southern India state wey dem dey call Kerala don stand gidigba for their plan to do Zumba class for public school. Even as religious groups dey vex, government tok say 14,000 state-run schools go dey do daily Zumba sessions as part of anti-drug campaign wey dey launch last month. But Hindu and Muslim organizations for the state no gree. Dem tok say the dance na cultural invasion and no follow Indian moral values as e dey make boys and girls dance together for tight cloth. Some of dem dey tell parents and teachers make dem boycott the program. Kerala Education Minister V. Sivankuti tok say government no go cancel the plan. E say religion no suppose dey mixed with education and the people wey dey protest dey even worse pass drug wahala. E still explain say the Zumba class go dey optional, say nobody go force anybody to join. The Zumba session na part of bigger plan to stop drug use for school pikin. Government still dey do better surveillance for schools, awareness campaign and rehab for students. All state schools go need hire trained Zumba instructor and make the timetable wey go favour both students and teachers. And the last one for today, South Africa two biggest parties dey do one kind forced partnership wey dem call Government of National Unity (GNU). Dem no really like each other but dem no wan scatter because e fit cause wahala for voters wey be the pikin for the relationship. The GNU start after last year election when African National Congress (ANC), the party where Nelson Mandela take bring democracy for 1994, lose parliamentary majority. Dem come put their main rival Democratic Alliance (DA) join dem for coalition. Even as the GNU just reach 1 year, e no be celebration matter. Dem dey always get wahala and argument, but President Cyril Ramaphosa of ANC and John Steinhuise of DA don show say dem fit work together sometimes. As dem dey cooperate like that, e dey make people see say even with the wahala, GNU still get small sense. Investors and big business people dey like the idea say dem too dey hold middle ground for politics and fit keep country stable. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.